Kia ora Bronson and welcome to Bronson's Braille channel with your host and teacher Karu Hannett. Yay! Yeah, Bronson! Okay, so for today's lesson, Bronson, we are going to recap our Braille alphabet. Even though I know you know it, it's important that we just keep our mind nice and fresh with our Braille, and that's really good. And then after that, I've got a listening scavenger hunt for you to do outside. And then after that, we are going to go on a Braille website and see if we can figure out a few Braille words. So, first of all, I'm going to introduce you to the little Braille cell that I have made for you. So this is the Braille cell that I've made out of an egg carton, and I've just labelled it here so you know that we have the Braille cell spots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then what I've done is I've painted the tops of the eggs so that you can see them a bit better, and these are going to represent our Braille dots. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go through the alphabet, and if you want to, you can pause the video and go and get some of your cars and see how many of these you know. So remember how we play that game at school with the fish? If you get it right, you get the car. But if you get it wrong, I get the car. So at the end of this, you can see how many cars you've got and how many cars I've got. And then you can let me know through an email or on the phone. So, let's get started. Okay, so, do you know what dot 1 is? What would that be? Did you get it right? Of course you did. It's an A. What about this one here? What's this one? You know this one too because it's in your name. It is B. Okay, what about... Good job, Bronson. That was B. What about this one? What do you reckon that one is? Oh, too easy, mate. You're right. It's a G. Okay, let me see. Do you know what this one is? Of course you do. It's an E. Well done, Bronson. Okay, I'm going to give you a really hard one now. Hopefully this will prank you. Okay, that one there. Pretty tricky. But I reckon you know it. You're right, it's an R. Okay, let's see if we can take one away and make something else. What's this one? Do you know? It is... Oh, of course you do. It's in your name. It's an H. Well done. What about round the opposite way? This is a bit more tricky. You know it though, it's a J. Well done. Oh, this one. You definitely know this one. What's that? Yep, you're right, it's an L. What if I take away number 2? What does it become then? Yep, you're right, it's a K. Give you another easy one. What's this one? Yep, it's a C for coral. Thank you very much. And this one here. What's that one? That one is a D. Well, of course you know that one. It's in Bronson hand. Excellent. Let's see, we move that one and take that one away, and it becomes something that's at the start of ice cream. You're right, Bronson, it's an I. Too meke, which means too much, too clever. Alright, I'll put one here. And what do you think it is? Let's see, what is it? It is... Oh, it's not. I got it wrong. I pranked myself. That's not an O. That's an O. An O is 1, 3, 5. You're right, Bronson. I was just trying to prank you. Okay, very good. What about... Oh, this one. You're definitely going to know this one because it's in your name. Oh, I've run out of eggs. I have to use this crystal. It's a bit of a funny dot, isn't it? This is... What's this one? Yep, it's a Y. You've got it. Okay, we've got a few left. This one was the one that I was getting... I was a bit rusty with this one. Do you know what it is? Of course you do. It's a T. Excellent. Now, what else do we have here? We have this one here. Do you know what that one is? You're pretty good at brailing that. Yep, it's an S. You're right, Bronson. Oh, it's in your name. That's why you're so good at it. What about this one here? Pop. Yep, P for pop. Well done. Right, let's see. What about that one? Do you know what that one is, Bronson? Yes, it is. It's the first letter of your Nana's name, Mary. M for Mary. Well done. And while we're here, we may as well put one more in, and that becomes an N. You're right. N for noodles. I love noodles. Okay, we've only got a few more to do. Let's see if you can jog your memory back to this one here, which is... what is it? It's a U. Well done. U for underneath. Now, let's see. We've got some of the Hardies left, which you always tried to prank me with. Okay, this one is a V. Well done. Awesome. Now we will go on to W, which is the opposite of R. And so that means that they come over here onto that side. And this one comes up here. And that's W. Yes. Now, I know you know X because you're so good at brailing it. Is that right? Awesome. Well done, Bronson. Now, we've only got two more to do. So let's see if I can get this right. What's this one? Yep, F for French fries. Delicious. Oh, we've only got two more. Okay. Oh, I need to use that crystal again for the Q. This one here. That's Q. Well done, Bronson. Okay, let's see. We've got... Oh, it's so tricky. We've got a Z. Z is going to be so tricky for me. But I think I can remember. So, 1, 3... What's the other two ones, Bronson? 1, 3... 5... Sorry. 5, 6. That's Z. Z for zoo. Fantastic, Bronson. I am so impressed with your braille. And now we're going to do our next activity. Hi, Bronson. For our next activity, we're going to use some of our O&M listening skills. And if it's not raining, we're going to go outside and see if we can hear 3 different sounds. I'm going to show you 1 or 2 just to get you started, and then you can tell me on the phone what your ones were. I'm just going to go outside. I'm going to close my eyes and see what I can hear. You ready? Well, actually, I can hear the pitter-patter of the rain. I can hear a car driving in the distance. And I also heard the sound of a bird. That's pretty cool. What sounds can you hear in your backyard? I can't wait to find out. Hey Bronson, I couldn't change the screen to get it to go onto my computer, so this is the end of the first video. And the next video I'm going to make for you is going to be where you'll be able to see some of my computer screen, so we'll be able to look at some braille together. And then that'll be cool. So you'll be able to, so you have 2 links to open. I'll email you this as the first one, and then I'll send you a second one and you can open that, and that will be the last of our first day's activities. And then if you want to, you can ask Mary to send me a text message and I can give you a call to see how you went on. Okay? Take care. Bye.